Right, I've got a kit here, folks, and there's only it's a one-off. I will be doing some more later on, but this is a pink and cream kit. I'm going to go through it with you. I've just been collecting everything together. So let me just fold this because we've got some netting. It's very pale pink, but it's beautiful. You can make a flower with it, or you can add it to a flower as a decoration, you know, like behind the flower or something like that. So I do need a large bag to start putting this in, and just reach down the side of me. So here we have got a bag here. So I'm just going to start. I'll show you what's in the kit and then pop it in the bag. So to start with, there is that netting. I've added beautiful pink doily. That's that. This gorgeous butterfly in pink. I mean, it's big, it's stunning. And we generally sell those for, I think they're about £3, something, £3.50, something like that. So it's going to be well worth it. I'm putting in this little bauble. And the reason why I'm doing the bauble is because you can hang it. If you're making a page or if you're making a plaque, you can decorate this however you want. Pop a little flower in it or whatever you want to put in it. Beads or, you know, something. And you can hang it because it's got a little hanger on it. So I'm putting that in as well. I'm trying to give you ideas to be more creative. I put one of our own pictures in. These are copyright, so please, please do not try and copy these. They are our own pictures. We own them. And that's a gorgeous one. And that is, I think it's 7 centimetres by 11 centimetres. 6 of the beautiful rolled ribbons. Some stamen, and it's pink and cream. That's that. 2 yards, or 2 metres, sorry, of the pink satin ribbon that you can make a flower with. There's lots of flowers on the website, you know, not that, sorry, that's mine. One of the angels that you can hang from your projects, whatever it is you're going to make. Pack of 12 flowers. We do sell all of these in the shop, folks. These are what Tatty made up for us, the beautiful stick pins, multicoloured. You also get inside beads, spacers, bead caps and things like that. It's one of our luxury kits. So they're on the shop if you want them. If you can't find them, email me, let me know and I'll sort it out. This is one I've made up for you. And it's a crystal, 2 crystals, and one's a petrol blue crystal, but it's got pink in it. And it's nice to have a contrast colour. Now, I haven't cut this yet, but I'm going to do it. So that's one. I'm going to give you 2 yards of this beautiful, beautiful chiffon. Pale pink chiffon. Not chiffon, organza, sorry, I do apologise. So you've 2 yards of that. You've probably got 2 metres actually, because I over measure rather than under measure. So you've 2 yards of that. And I'm also going to give you some of the cording in pink. If I can get the packaging off. It's that's it. Let's have a look. Yeah. So I'm going to give you 2 yards of that. I'm very generous with you today. Because you can put this, my hair's on here, I don't know why. Sorry, I've got it off. You can put this, loop it, remember, behind your flower. So you can do several loops, different lengths, and add that in with a handmade flower. It looks gorgeous. So 2 yards, probably 2 metres, to be honest. Now, I do need a little bag because I've got some of these that I'm going to pop in as well. And these are gorgeous. And look at that. They're flowers. But what with a hole in the middle. And then what you do is you pop in a little tiny pearl in there if you have them, or whatever it is you want to do. You can just sew a knot in it. So I'm just going to give you a few of those to play around with. You don't need many, but there's a few there. Something a little bit different. I've put in 1 metre of the ombre ribbon. And yes, it's got purple in it, but it's going to give you a little bit of a contrast. We've got the wooden heart. And I've chosen this fabric, which is the striped. You've seen me do a heart using this stripe. Let me just make sure that it'll... Yeah, there's plenty of room on that. So what I'm going to do is just cut a piece off for you. There we go. That's plenty big enough, and big enough actually with some spare that you could do with a strip of it. You could do, I don't know, around the picture. You could pleat it, you know. Check out the wall plaques if you're doing one, what I've made, and you'll see. So like I said, I will be doing some more kits later. And then I'm going to put the wadding piece in. I have to just measure this out to make sure you've got it wide enough for the heart. Organza in, because you'll want to be able to make some leaves. And I've shown you how to do lots of leaves, lots of different ones. So we're going to put 1 metre of that in. So that's that one. And, oh, let's see. I really wanted to do, yeah, I think we'll do some pearls. But I'm going to put the cream pearls in. So I'm going to put 1 metre of the cream pearl. So I've given you 1 metre of the cream, but I'm going to give you 2 metres of the pink. So there's plenty for you to go around your picture, around your heart, and it's 4mm. So that's that. Now what else? Oh, and I've got one of these, which is, it's like a cordon with leaves with the pink hearts, pink flowers. So I'm going to put that in as well. That's a nice big kit. And I'm just going to fold that in so I can fold this together. That kit is now going for... Oh, sorry, I've one more thing. Some lace to go around the heart. And this is the Nottingham lace. And I'm going to give you 1.5 metres of that. Oh, I tell you what, another thing I'm going to add. I'm going to add a large press stud, and I'll tell you for why. If you make your flower separate, you can do it where you can attach it or unattach it. I'm going to add one of those in. Why not? I like to see people create. The other thing I'm going to add, which I'd forgotten to add before, were some of these. And again, these are cream. So these are our flat back pearls. So I'm going to add 12 of these. So that's 1, 2, 4, 6, oops, 8, 10, 12. There we go, and you've 12 flat back pearls as well. To go in that kit. Now, if you can't make anything with that, you've not been watching my videos. I could make several things with that. So you've got a nice kit. So if you're interested in that kit, let me know on this video. Thanks for watching, take care. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.